Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your pin on LEDGER Flex. To change your pin, click on the settings in bottom left corner, then go to the right page and now go to change pin. Now you can enter your current pin, approve it, and choose a new pin. I'm gonna set it to like the same one, but of course you should enter something else if you're actually changing it. And yeah, I'm gonna approve it, and then it's changed. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.